Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another review episode. I got an email from a company called Dewbu. They make heated apparel. That's right, electronically heated jackets and all that stuff. So they asked me to choose something that I think I might like and for me to do a video unboxing and review on it. So I got this in the mail a couple of days ago. As you know, I do my reviews only on the weekends. Let me get this out of here. As you know, when you ship things, you need this label for lithium-ion battery. So here's the box. Dewbu. Heated apparel. Long-lasting electric heat. You have some instructions. Ooh, a couple of pieces here. I wonder what's up with that. Oh no, one piece. There it is. Nice. Really nice. You can feel that it's waterproof. Pretty thick. Good quality. Dewbu. Two pockets over here. Zips all the way up to the top. Very nice. Got a couple of inner pockets here. Here's where you probably connect the module for the heating element. This is a size large. It's got a hood, elastic to close it up a little bit. Velcro on the sleeves to tighten. Another pocket over here for your arm, for your shoulder. An American flag. Now the American flag should always be like that. The square with these stars should always face forward. Very nice jacket. I'm impressed. Another shoulder pocket over here. Got some elbow pads. Really nice. I'm going to wear this in the winter. This was in the box. 12-volt power bank. Intelligent LED display. Heavy like a battery. USB-C charging cable. Sleek. So you would connect this to a power source, your computer or your outlet for USB. You would charge it up fully. I don't know if it's fully charged or not, but there's a button here that you press. There we go. When you press it, it shows you 31, maybe 31%, maybe? Anyway, so we'll connect this to that plug that we saw over here. And there we go. So this is the power bank. And it says 31. I don't know what 31 means, but it at least is enough. I'm sure if it's 31%, it's enough to charge. So I'm going to put this jacket on, and I believe that it's starting to heat up the elements throughout the jacket. So I was sitting there for a while, and I didn't feel any heat. I mean, it is hot already, but wearing a jacket makes it even hotter, but I didn't feel any specific heat. So I looked through the instructions, and it actually shows you that the heating elements are right there. And there was a power switch. So here's the power switch right there. It says power. You press it, and it lights up red. Isn't that cool? Ooh. I'm scorching hot. I can feel it in my back and in my arms and right over here. Something else I wanted to show you. The button, while it's red, it's at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you press it again, it turns blue. Blue is 125 Fahrenheit. And then you press it again and it's green. and it's only about 110 Fahrenheit. So if the 145 is too hot for you, you can lower the intensity of the heat. Really, really high-tech jacket, isn't it? I will admit, this is the first jacket I've ever had that is so high-tech with buttons and a battery pack. So this is absolutely fantastic for the winter time, and it's absolutely perfect timing too, because here in the east coast of New York, we're running into fall. It's getting to be about the 55, 60 degree area, but old man winter is around the corner, and then when the winter comes and it snows, this will be absolutely perfect for winter. Thank you very much to Dewbu for this wonderful quality jacket. I really like it a lot. I'm going to be using this throughout the winter in my videos. And if you guys would like to get yours, check the description, the link in the description, and I'll have the information so that you can get your own heated jacket. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's review episode, and thank you to Dewbu for the wonderful camouflage jacket. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.